Hello friends. Do you enjoy interesting chemistry videos? If you'd like to see more conceptual videos on chemistry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. We are aware about substitution reaction occurs on benzene ring. Do you have an idea how this reaction came into existence? Do you know how the scientist analyzed the reaction and gave this concept? Let's have a look on how substitution occurred on aromatic ring. Phenol reacts with deuterated water, D2O, forming deuterated phenol via the phenoxide ion. Due to the plane of symmetry, the hydrogen atoms at C1 and C6 red color highlighted and C3 and C5 green color highlighted share the same chemical environment, whereas the hydrogen at C4 blue color has a different environment. HA and HC are replaced by deuterium, resulting in deuterated phenol. Net conclusion: aromatic substitution reactions took place, proton peaks were not visible and hydrogen was replaced deuterium. Now, let's move on to the electrophilic reaction known as bromination. As the name suggests, bromine is the key atom in this reaction. An electron pair from the benzene ring attacks the positively polarized bromine in the presence of ferric bromide, forming a new carbon-bromine bond. This results in bromobenzene as the product, along with hydrobromic acid, HBr, while FeBr₃ is regenerated to complete the reaction cycle. Understanding bromine and its reactivity. Bromine has an electronic configuration of 2, 8, 18, 7. To form a bromine molecule, each bromine atom shares one electron from its outermost shell to complete its octet, resulting in a stable Lewis structure. Bromine itself is a nonpolar molecule because both bromine atoms have equal electronegativity. However, when bromine molecule interacts with a Lewis acid, it becomes polarized. One bromine atom becomes slightly positive due to electron withdrawal by FeBr₃, generating electrophilic Br, bromonium ion, and a negatively charged FeBr₄ complex. Mechanism of aromatic electrophilic substitution, bromination of benzene. Step 1. Formation of the electrophile. In the presence of FeBr, one bromine atom donates an electron pair to the iron center, forming a complex. This weakens the Br-Br bond, making one bromine atom electron deficient, Br, while the other forms FeBr. Step 2. Formation of the carbon-bromine bond. The benzene ring donates an electron pair to the positively charged bromine ion, Br, forming a new carbon-bromine bond. This disrupts the delocalized pi-electron system of benzene, creating a positively charged intermediate called the sigma complex. Step 3. Regaining aromaticity. The FeBr complex abstracts a proton, H, from the sigma complex. As the proton is removed, the benzene ring regains its aromaticity, and bromobenzene, CHBr, is formed. At the same time, FeBr is restored, allowing the reaction to continue.